Alright guys, this is, I don't know what day it is, but we're gonna see if this holds up for Dad. Don't really know what he's doing out there, but this is quite the day. Seems like a very simple day, but I know it's a day I want to remember. So, here's a little speed demon trying to show off for the camera. I think he knows I have it on. So, yeah, it's been quite the day. So, a little update, he's coming back. Yeah, so this is the tire we're trying to figure out. Seems like he held up pretty well. Fair to him. Yeah, I think it did. Yes.
Ingenious.
Yay! Boss. It's a beautiful day out here in Huntington Beach. We're just torching plants and discussing toilets.
Yep.
So yeah, pretty eventful day.
Puppies! Puppies! Daddies!
Yep. Zobo. No,
This is a game the dogs like to
We're not
play
leaving yet.
called Can We Go Yet?
we're not leaving yet. Two, one large, long, and then the other is smaller. Yep. Oh no! That was the rudest thing I've ever seen. In my life.
Oh, guys.
Door.
She's like trying to.
No, no. Like, you are not an expert at letting the dogs out.
Sorry. Sure. Bye, guys. Getting ready to go to the boat.
Two boat bad boys.
What's the second thing?
Yeah.
What is it?
Stand up.
Okay. Turks and Caicos?
Nope.
St. Martin.
Nope. Not so far.
Oh! Florida.
Yep.
Yeah. Where in Florida?
Fires.
Fort Myers. Now what are we doing?
Waiting for Mom.
Just waiting.